keeping my espresso machine running smoothly is super, super important to me. I have done quite a few cleanings of my espresso machine here to keep it running smoothly. There's so many different options on the market, and I feel like every time I do a cleaning of it, it takes so much work, even with the formulas that are already created, to go ahead and aid in the cleaning of your machines. I do have the Active brand espresso machine cleaner that I use for a little more ease than the traditional formulas on the market because it comes in a tablet form, so it's super easy to just grab one, toss it in, and get the cleaning function going. So this here is how small they are, what they look like. These are specifically created with a formula that allows for a deep clean. So to use these, you want to start by filling your water tank on your espresso machine. Mine is full in the back here. And then from there is usually a rubber stopper that you can put in your filler here. So you'll put that in, you'll drop a tablet right on top, like that. You'll go ahead and connect it like normal. And then from there, some espresso machines do have that cleaning settings, so you can just press the button and go from there. Mine, I just go ahead and just run it a few times and make sure that it's cleared out. Since it does have that stopper in it, it goes ahead and filters it back and through there and works on that descaling process. After these have worked their magic and done their job, you'll just go ahead and do the large pour filter through your espresso machine, or just like I said, run it a few times to filter out everything left over. These are recommended for daily use for your best results, but I definitely do it every other day or so because I want my espresso to taste amazing, but sometimes we're busy and it doesn't happen for us. So definitely recommend if you're looking for a great cleaner for your espresso machine, nice and easy, and doesn't take hours to fully clean out and get it all cleared. This works great for breaking down those oils that are in your espresso machine after going through that coffee run. It also, of course, works on descaling the minerals and things from your water. So a huge bonus to be able to quickly throw this in there, get to work, and be able to do it daily if you choose to without too much effort.